Hey guys, so okay, in this video I want to show you my solution for another tiny problem that I had. And the problem is that I couldn't open my left rear door, and the feeling of this one was like when I pulled the handle it felt just like one of the cables were about to break, and after a while I couldn't open it at all, so it felt like the cable broke or something, at least one of them, because there is a bit of resistance, but it's like it felt like it was all gone. And so what happens is that when you close the door, this one goes up, and then when you pull the handle, it retracts, and then you can open it. And so yeah, I removed all of these panels here, and all of that was actually in vain, because I found out that the cables were perfectly fine, nothing wrong with them. And the problem was just I needed to use some of this like multi-spray, like a WD-40 556, something like that, and just put a little bit in here, and that helped out. And then just something to close it, open, and repeat this for a few times to get the lubricant in there. So yeah, and then it runs better. But the thing is, the top one worked kind of fine, but in the bottom is one too. So this one was like really catching, it didn't even move out at all. So when I pull the handle, it would just be stuck. But now it comes back out. So now it's working, and yeah, that's it, quick fix. Let's try it. Oh, that is perfect. It opens right up. No problems at all. Good. Problem fixed. Okay guys, once again, thank you for watching, and see you next time. I hope this helped some of you, and yeah, that's about it. Have a good day.